Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to use recovery key for account security on your iPhone. So let's open settings on your device, and then at the top, please tap your name, which is your Apple ID account. And now let's go to section Sign In and Security. After this, you want to find section Recovery Methods, and here tap on Recovery Key. So let's tap Continue button, and when you verify with your passcode or your Face ID, on your screen you will get your recovery key. So you have to write down that 28-character code, or you can even print it so that it was even better. And you have to store it in a safe place and not in the application itself on the same device. And how to use it? When you are logged out of your Apple ID, you have to select the option to use a recovery key when you're completing the process of account recovery, and then you want to enter that full key. And then after this, when you enter it, you can finally reset your password and gain access to your Apple ID account one more time. So yes, but I forgot to mention as well that when it is activated, when recovery key is activated, Apple cannot help you regain access to your account if you lose both your password and your recovery key. So please store that recovery key in a secure, safe place. So that is basically it. That's all for me. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.